This video demonstrates how to online search, view, and download MRS cluster logs. Fusion Insight Manager supports online search and display of component logs, and online query of logs of each role instance for fault locating. Fusion Insight Manager also allows you to export logs generated by all instances of each service role in batches. You do not need to manually log into a single node to obtain the logs. This video demonstrates how to search, view, and download logs online on Fusion Insight Manager. First, let's see how to search for logs online. Log into Fusion Insight Manager as the admin user. Choose O&M. Log, online search. Enter the search keyword or regular expression. Select the service or module whose logs need to be queried. If only one role of a service is selected, you can select the specified log file in the right pane to search for it. Select the lowest log level to be queried. After you select a level, the system displays the logs of the selected level and higher levels. Select or manually enter the node whose logs need to be queried. If you enter the node name manually, enter the host name of the node or the IP address of the management plane. Click Advanced Configurations to set the maximum quantity of logs to be retrieved and the timeout duration. Click Search to start searching for logs. During the search, you can click Stop to forcibly stop the current search progress and display the search results in the list. The search result contains the time, host name, location, line number, level and log fields. The following describes how to view role instance log files online. HDFS is used as an example. Click any role whose logs you want to view. For example, Data Node. Click the name of a log file to preview the log file. You can also click Download to download the log file to the local computer. Next, let's see how to download logs. Click Download. Select the service whose logs need to be downloaded. Enter the IP address of the host, and you can also select the required host. Set start time and end time for log collection. Click Download. The log file is downloaded to the local host. The downloaded log package contains the topology information of the corresponding start time and end time, which facilitates viewing and locating.